can changing your facial expression really change your emotions? Back in 1989, Professor Robert Zients, a pioneer of social psychology, did a very simple experiment to try and test this idea. And this is what he did. He asked people to mimic various vowel sounds. An E sound would stretch the side of the mouth and mimic a smile. A U sound would make people look as if they were pouting. After the experiment, he asked people how they felt. And most people reported feeling much better after making the E sound, the smiling sound, if you like. The professor then theorized that the reason for this was that all the stretching and relaxing of muscles in the face had changed the temperature of the blood. And the temperature of the blood is known to have an effect upon the regulation of our emotions, particularly the temperature of blood in your brain. In 1998, another similar experiment was done, but this time it was to try and test how self-consciousness can affect our emotions. And this is what they did. They split their group into three. And in the first group, they asked people to simply look at some photographs of people either smiling or frowning. In the second group, they asked people to look at the photographs, the same photographs, and then to try and mimic them. And in the third group, they asked them to look at the photographs to mimic them, but to mimic them by looking in a mirror to make them feel more self-conscious. And what happened was that in the control group, the people that simply looked at the photographs, there was no real change in their mood. In the second group, the people that mimicked them, there was a slight change in their mood. But the greatest change overall was in those that were self-conscious. So, what can we learn from this? Well, if you want to be happy, smile. If you want to be really happy, smile at yourself in the mirror.